Hi, John. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. What are you doing here?
I'm getting a coffee. I love the coffee here. What about you?
Me too. I'm waiting for my friend. We are going to study together.
That sounds good. What are you studying?
We have an English test tomorrow. We need to practice.
Oh, good luck with your test. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. It's fun and useful. Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little bit of Spanish. It's interesting to learn new languages.
That's cool. Maybe you can help me with Spanish someday.
Sure, I'd love to. Here's my coffee. I need to go now. See you later, Emma.
See you, John. Have a great day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.